Hey guys, it's me and Taylor here. You should go subscribe and hit the like button and tell me what you guys want to do next.
And come to my channel.
Tay's exclamation point.
No. It's Tay's apostrophe S universe/life. I found one glitter in the whole thing. This used to be a flirt putty, but I made it a slime. I just had to use a lot of gel.
Whose gel was it?
My brother. Or my dad's. I don't really know.
Oof, hear this.
It's funny how it's your video and I'm in the screen more than you.
I don't like showing my face.
I'm comfortable by now.
I have softball practice today, and then I have a softball game tomorrow.
I have cheer tomorrow, and we have to clean all of it up. It's so exhausting. And then I have to clean out my hamster's cage probably today. And they're so annoying because they don't go on their stupid ball.
Like Hammy?
Huh?
Like Hammy?
No, Hammy was better than Snowball.
Yeah, like Hammy
and Grizz.
was like
fat.
Yeah, like they didn't go in it like Hammy did.
No, they're too
Hammy
fast.
would rock the world. He would say, okay,
let's do this. And he would always, whenever you were here, he would always climb on your lap and stuff. I miss Hammy. We're doing a YouTube video. You guys want to be in it?
That's Nadia.
That's Gabriella.
That's Coral and Ashley B.
It's actually too
Yeah.
Hey. Oh yeah, I posted a video.
I know, I saw it.
Taylor, I want to see one.
That's Coral.
Hi. My hands are sticky.
My hands are not. Whose slime is this?
Mine.
It's gonna be mine.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it is.
You can have that.
Yeah, all you can
I
see
can.
is my
Yeah. This is too much.
Taylor.
I need some.
I get to keep all
And
this.
This is Gabby.
No. Just go.
Anita. Over your scores on your phone.
Okay. You guys should text me. I should. I'm just joking. I know, that's why I said it. Okay. If you guys watch Girl Meets World, I'm Maya. This is Riley. We're exactly. And I'm bad. That's all I gotta say. You know what's funny? We're exactly like Riley and Maya. You have parents and I don't.
It's like on camera.
I
don't
know. But sometimes in videos you can talk to each other.
Talk. I'm scared.
Oh!
Oh my god!
I always wanted to do that to a bubble.
Do that. Wait, go like this? Taylor. Taylor, we missed this. I want to go eat.
Oh, and we're at breakfast. Nope, it's under my table. Still.
Is it at Mesa?
No. It was in my car, and it was at Mesa, because my mom always has to drive to Mesa. And that's home.
Okay.
Taylor is totally off of it.
I know.
We're totally off of it.
Yours is all warm.
I threw down too early. Oh shit.
Here's an apple.
And here's a
some
slime.
Sauce.
We make some apple slime.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat that after.
Yeah, that'd be really good.
Unless it was edible slime.
It's shinier.
Look,
Look, see, it's shiny.
We're making a YouTube video. Why'd you put? That looks like a butt.
I wanted to see.
Let me see it. Who is
Hey.
it? How do you open this?
This is Maria.
Who
Yeah.
is this?
Like my best friend.
Oh.
So like.
Oh my gosh, I was thinking, why is it so hard?
I got. Of course, I'm the first one to drop it.
I want to see. I want to see. Ew.
This is so good. Guys, look at this huge ball of slime.
It's so big.
Including that right there.
Take your stupid apples out of my slime.
These are mine. I don't even get a plate.
Okay.
I want to play with this. Who's gonna record it?
It stays.
Todas se vuelven locas.
I'm trying to set you guys up good enough, okay? Stupid applesauce. There we go.
Wow.
You just dropped it. Okay, there you go.
Oh yes.
It's so like itchy
This is so.
because of all the different.
I got a sequence in the slime. In my slime. This is mine, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to play with this slowly because it'll rip really bad if I don't.
I'm not playing with it so slowly. It makes you
Because
stretch
this
it.
is Chinese putty.
I think so. I don't understand Chinese. That's why.
This is like putty.
It's slime.
It looks so clear.
I hear sausage.
All you see is you eating.
This smells like.
Start with.
This smells like really
start with
strong
Miss
dish
Clausen.
soap.
Yes. I didn't make it. I just like
Bought it.
Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what you want me to do
Is
next.
this Steelers?